Another day, another story. Section 45 of Criminal Procedure Code. Protection of members of the armed forces from arrest. 1. Notwithstanding anything contained in sections 41 to 44, both inclusive, no member of the armed forces of the Union shall be arrested for anything done or purported to be done by him in the discharge of his official duties except after obtaining the consent of the central government. 2. The state government may, by notification, direct that the provisions of subsection 1 shall apply to such class or category of the members of the force charged with the maintenance of public order as may be specified therein, wherever they may be serving, and thereupon the provisions of that subsection shall apply as if for the expression central government occurring therein, the expression state government were substituted. Section 46 of Criminal Procedure Code. Arrest how made. 1. In making an arrest, the police officer or other person making the same shall actually touch or confine the body of the person to be arrested, unless there be a submission to the custody by word or action, provided that where a woman is to be arrested, unless the circumstances indicate to the contrary, her submission to custody on an oral intimation of arrest shall be presumed, and, unless the circumstances otherwise require or unless the police officer is a female, the police officer shall not touch the person of the woman for making her arrest. 2. If such person forcibly resists the endeavor to arrest him, or attempts to evade the arrest, such police officer or other person may use all means necessary to effect the arrest. 3. Nothing in this section gives a right to cause the death of a person who is not accused of an offense punishable with death or with imprisonment for life. 4. Save in exceptional circumstances, no woman shall be arrested after sunset and before sunrise, and where such exceptional circumstances exist, the woman police officer shall, by making a written report, obtain the prior permission of the judicial magistrate of the first class within whose local jurisdiction the offense is committed or the arrest is to be made. Section 47 of Criminal Procedure Code. Search of place entered by person sought to be arrested. 1. If any person acting under warrant of arrest, or any police officer having authority to arrest, has reason to believe that the person to be arrested has entered into, or is within, any place, any person residing in, or being in charge of, such place shall, on demand of such person acting as aforesaid or such police officer, allow him free ingress thereto, and afford all reasonable facilities for a search therein. 2. If ingress to such place cannot be obtained under subsection 1, it shall be lawful in any case for a person acting under a warrant and in any case in which a warrant may issue, but cannot be obtained without affording the person to be arrested an opportunity of escape, for a police officer to enter such place and search therein, and in order to effect an entrance into such place, to break open any outer or inner door or window of any house or place, whether that of the person to be arrested or of any other person, if after notification of his authority and purpose, and demand of admittance duly made, he cannot otherwise obtain admittance, provided that, if any such place is an apartment in the actual occupancy of a female, not being the persons to be arrested, who, according to custom, does not appear in public, such person or police officer shall, before entering such apartment, give notice to such female that she is at liberty to withdraw and shall afford her every reasonable facility for withdrawing, and may then break open the apartment and enter it. 3. Any police officer or other person authorized to make an arrest may break open any outer or inner door or window of any house or place in order to liberate himself or any other person who, having lawfully entered for the purpose of making an arrest, is detained therein. Section 48 of Criminal Procedure Code. Pursuit of offenders into other jurisdictions. A police officer may, for the purpose of arresting without warrant any person whom he is authorized to arrest, pursue such person into any place in India. Section 49 of Criminal Procedure Code. No unnecessary restraint. The person arrested shall not be subjected to more restraint than is necessary to prevent his escape. Section 50 of Criminal Procedure Code. Person arrested to be informed of grounds of arrest and of right to bail. 1. Every police officer or other person arresting any person without warrant shall forthwith communicate to him full particulars of the offense for which he is arrested or other grounds for such arrest. 2. Where a police officer arrests without warrant any person other than a person accused of a non-bailable offense, he shall inform the person arrested that he is entitled to be released on bail and that he may arrange for sureties on his behalf. Section 50A of Criminal Procedure Code. Obligation of person making arrest to inform about the arrest, etc., to a nominated person. 1. Every police officer or other person making any arrest under this code shall forthwith give the information regarding such arrest and place where the arrested person is being held to any of his friends, relatives or such other persons as may be disclosed are nominated by the arrested person for the purpose of giving such information. 2. The police officer shall inform the arrested person of his rights under subsection 1, as soon as he is brought to the police station. 3. An entry of the fact as to who has been informed of the arrest of such person shall be made in a book to be kept in the police station in such form as may be prescribed in this behalf by the state government. 4. It shall be the duty of the magistrate before whom such arrested person is produced, to satisfy himself that the requirements of subsection 2 and subsection 3 have been complied with in respect of such arrested person. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.